guys, so we are going to do some planting in the summer, and in order to do that we need some boxes to plant in. So the plan will be to take some pallets apart and then build some boxes. We started a composting pile and we will start with herbs because Karena's dad likes the herbs. So if you guys can see, we've got some pallets here that we are going to disassemble, and yeah, I think the planks are what, a meter or 1.2 meters. So we'll just do plain square boxes about 2 planks high, just to have a little bit of raised bedding. Yeah, so it's winter now here in the US. Spring starts late March, so we want to get the compost going now already, so that by the time spring comes we can just plant. So that's going to be our project that you will be seeing on the video. Today it's cold, it was freezing point. We will just disassemble the planks, and then next week we will actually start building the planks and putting the boxes together. So keep following us, support us on Patreon, and we will soon show you our finished products. Cheers!
Alright, Leafy. These ones look nice. Nicest. I think yay.
This is not working.
How to dismantle pallets the easy way. So we've been having some trouble with breaking the pallets when we take them out. We hit them with the mallets and they break. Either we got that left behind, or this one over here just knocked it out. Actually, we're not sure how to take even these ones out when they're on the double, when there's pallets on both sides, because we were just hitting them out with a mallet, but obviously it's not gonna work. So my brother said he will show us when he gets home from work. But for now, we're gonna take a break. We got a little hangry, so we went inside, watched some YouTube videos on how to take these things out, but still got some learning to do. We didn't have this much trouble in South Africa, so maybe something's different here.
This one I would have started right here. Grab it, rip it down.
Yeah.
You'll get it in farther if you can aim for the nails.
Putting some planks out so that we can make boxes for herb garden.
The nails in the middle.
Yeah.
First time was a bit of a failure, so Bryson quickly came to show us how it's done.
Okay. Feels cool.
See, you're not on the, not under the wood. Oh, now you
Use the other end.
are. Yes, I cover you down.
Our neighbor heard us struggling. Brought us this handmade plank remover. He heard us struggling and came over. Yeah. Go with mom. Oh, we only did one side of that one. I'll come stand on it. See if I can get it open. Look at that. Right?
We will get again.
But Grace told us if we plant this in some water, it will regrow. Also, if we plant a pineapple in 2 years. Woo! Pineapple tree. It's a blizzard now. Our compost heap is growing.
What can I do?
You'll get better at it. We've been getting about 2 buckets a day from a restaurant, from McCleary's restaurant in Marietta. This is the restaurant where Brittany worked as a general manager for a few years. So it's very fitting that they're the first ones to offer us compost.
Sorry guys, it's snowing.
It's snowing. Can you see? It's all magic.
Okay, I need to go in now.
You should coat. Okay. She's not used to this.